Marake Kaloune. Fish sauce. A main dish from Djibouti. Serves 8. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Peel potatoes and cut into rounds. Step 2. Fry potatoes. Step 3. Sauté onions in oil until golden brown. Step 4. Add the okra and eggplant. Step 5. Mix the tamarind with chili. Step 6. Put the juice in the sauce. Step 7. Put in a saucepan and add a little water. Step 8. Add the fish cut into pieces. Step 9. Salt and pepper, add garlic and parsley crushed. Step 10. Cook for 15 minutes. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.